feel it. That's right, we're ready to go on this particular variety of persimmons. Other ones can get real soft texture, almost like an overripe tomato. But this is one where the texture stays firm, but it is ripe on the inside, right from that point.
What does it taste like?
That one?
I don't remember.
Because that one gives me a different taste than the other variety that we had. Because the one that gets real soft texture, that one has like a sweet, kind of almost sweet cinnamon-like flavor for it. This one just feels lighter in terms of flavor for me. It's not as powerful of a flavor as the other variety that we had.
Hey y'all, we are at the farmer's market. Not just a farmer's market, but it's kind of like a place that everyone goes to get smoothies and everything. So we came out here to see what they have. And they also have animals, so let's see. Oh, jackfruit, that's what it is. I was thinking people make tacos and everything with those, like vegetarians. But I thought these were fruit trees. They probably are fruit trees though, honestly. Well, these are fruit trees. It said the name of child, $40. Trust me, I won't. Trust me, I won't. I don't even see no birds. I guess they're on the other side. Oh, they are. Actually, parrots. Oh, wow. Chickens this is what you call a free range chicken. Just walking around, eating leaves and anything else. Well, is that a goat in there? Wait, what is this? That's an ostrich? You sure that's an ostrich? Oh my God, what is this turtle? What is this turtle?
Oh, so many turtles.
What is this turtle doing? Are they mating? Child. And a lot of flies. Where you see cows at? Oh wow, that is a cow. Take a picture and see what Google says. Might be an ostrich. I don't know, chickens hop. Oh. Why are he hopping? Something's wrong with his leg. And what is this one? Look at his eyes. You see his eyes?
It's a goat. That's how the eyes are.
Really?
Yeah, you know that?
Oh my God. He looks miserable. What is that, a turkey? That girl said, don't I feel ashamed? I kind of do though.
It's eating the lettuce. I know turkeys eat lettuce.
This is 100% wild caught type of meat here.
You should feel ashamed.
That cow is going to find that lettuce, honey. Child, I feel like a country girl. Why he got a hump like a... He looking for lettuce. Where your lettuce?
You got lettuce?
Go buy some lettuce, Gary. There go another one.
Look how he climbed the gate. Look how he climbed the gate.
Whoa. They want that lettuce. Alright. Wash your hands before feeding the animals, before and after, actually, which is a good thing.
Are you washing your hands?
Yep. Yeah, they won't let one eat. At least he has a long neck, like he can stick his head out because oh my God, he wants more. Now I know y'all been eating all day.
It can't be. Look at those goons. Sorry.
I love this cow.
This one here is always hungry. I don't like how he eat. Like, it's scary.
Who?
This one? He spent $6 for nothing. When they saw their real food come, all the animals took off. Look at this chicken. Look at this poor chicken. He got one leg, or something's wrong with his leg.
No.
Something's wrong with his leg.
Oh,
Do he eat that?
no, you can.
You gotta give him a long piece because this one is aggressive. Very aggressive. Look at him. Watch how he bite it. He like,
I'm not sure.
he not gonna eat off the ground though. She's scared to feed the freaking thing.
I like eating the clothes. They're not so. And the cow. Mom.
All right, now you're a little too close
I
now.
was feeding the.
Okay, next time.
Yes.
Hey, look, dinosaur.
Yeah, he do. Boy, he is tearing that corn.
That
Oh.
black thing that's walking in between the geese. What the hell is that? That is not a turkey.
Look at the little gas station. See, there's some real back in the day stuff. Look at the soda machine over there. Remember sodas was 35 cents? 35 cents.
Wow, Mom, this is in your time.
Not bad.
Now look.
This girl said this was in my time. No, baby girl, this was not in my time. Thank you very much.
Oh, no.
Oh, I can't wait till you have kids. Thought that said marijuana. Herbal grace, rosemary. Hi, good and you? I do need that rosemary though.
También tenemos el chai basil.
That's Robert right there. That is Robert, the actual owner. He's on all the pictures. Okay, you all, so we just came back from the ocean. But yesterday we went to Robert is Here. Let me turn on my light. We went to Robert is Here and we got some roots and we're going to try them. So let's see what we got. Which one are you most excited about trying? Yeah.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit?
Dragons.
Gary, which one are you most excited about trying? Huh? What you say? Gary, leave him in there.
I leave him.
Why?
Because he's like me. He's my mini me.
You can't give him this.
He's me and like dog. Of course I'm going to give it to him.
Okay. Which one are you most excited about trying?
The pudding one.
Me too. You're not excited about this one?
I don't really like chocolate.
But you eat chocolate.
That's true. Well, he said once it starts creating its juice, which it is.
Black sapote. Sapote.
Black sapote.
Sapote.
Sapote. I'll put the name on the bottom. Okay, let's try this one first. Chase not enthused about chocolate, but it's supposed to taste like chocolate pudding, and you just peel it open. Who's gonna peel it? Come on.
I want to.
Go ahead. Okay, I'm so excited about this.
I want to peel it.
He said just peel it with your hand. Oh my gosh, she's cutting it. Yeah. Let me see it. Yeah, cut. I don't know how I feel about this. Gary, bring napkins, please. Hey, I don't know about this. Come on, let's split it. This looks nasty. Bro, I don't even know if I can eat this. What does it taste like?
I don't know. I'm talking with him.
On to the next
You know what this tastes like?
0 out of 10.
So 0 out of 10. The juice is dripping all on the table. That shows that this thing is done. All right, let's cut up the dragon fruit. Look at the juice. Like, it's pretty good though. It tastes like an avocado if you ask me. Like a sweet, deep chocolate avocado. It tastes like a chocolate avocado. It tastes like the consistency of a super soft avocado, and it's sweet. I never ate a whole dragon fruit like this. I don't think I ever ate a real dragon fruit. Maybe dragon fruit candy, but not dragon fruit. Gary said it's great.
Yeah, that's good.
Let me see.
This is just a pineapple and strawberries and kiwi.
No, now it's better than this. That's for sure. I'll eat this any day.
It's so juicy. It's wasting all on the table.
It's kind of weird. The juice is good though.
We gotta finish that chocolate fruit. That chocolate fruit was like $9.
That's all you.
No, that's all us. That was good. Okay. Of course, there was a yellow dragon fruit, and he said this one was from Peru, right?
Ecuador.
Ecuador.
I'm from Peru.
And the red ones are from here. Ecuador. Because they gotta grow at a high altitude. The last one we got is this ugly fruit. I won't say.
Inform the viewers.
Can
the
I
correct
talk?
way.
Can I talk, Lord? Can't I talk? This is the.
Cheesecake.
Ugly fruit.
They said this one tastes like cheesecake.
Yes.
No.
You took a picture?
No, it's not. That's not the one.
Is that the one, chick?
That's
Are you
the
sure about that,
ugly
chick?
fruit.
Are you sure about that?
Gary took a picture.
Since Chase know it all.
Watch.
Since Chase know it all, the Miss Aquarius.
No, it was the mermaid that was like the cheesecake. We didn't get the
Exactly.
mermaid.
It was like the cheesecake.
Ugly
a
fruit.
fly.
I know I'm not very pretty, and my skin looks wrinkled and old. But inside, I'm still juicy and sweet. I'm a cross between orange tangerine and sweet grapefruit, and peel like a tangerine and cheesecake.
I don't say cheesecake. He lying.
Lying through your teeth. You
It's
think he knows it
orange
all.
grapefruit. No, don't cut it. Just peel it like a tangerine.
Okay, first I gotta get.
I did that already. I
Where's that?
stopped it. That's what I was showing Chase.
I'm just making up shit.
But don't prick the meat. The juice flying everywhere.
Like a giant, smell like an orange.
It does, right?
It look like an orange, smell like an orange.
It looks like a
It
grapefruit.
look like a Shrek version of an orange. Damn, my state is tough.
And it peels
Bro, this
like
is just
a
like an
grapefruit
orange, bro.
and an orange. Okay. Gary gonna finish peeling it. It is an orange and a grapefruit. Why does fruit look familiar?
Cause it's an orange. It ain't no different.
I like to open it and take the skin off. Hey, you all. Happy Monday, and a Monday it is. This Monday is Monday Ying, okay? Yesterday was a rough day for me. When I tell you I cried yesterday. America has a lot going on. I could not stop crying. Yesterday was a rough Sunday for me. But when I get into feeling like that, I have to remind myself that the Lord don't sleep and the Lord don't slumber. And then I started thinking about, but we do go through things, and we go through all these things, and it was just a rough day for me, man, because America, we got a problem. Do you hear me? I put my stand up, so I'm gonna go ahead and finally use it. I hope it don't move. I mean, with this sitting here, it's not moving. Let me sit y'all in here. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we have a problem. We do. But one thing we will be is okay, because God will make a way. Today I was watching the news. I'm looking at my Chick-fil-A app. I think I got a free sandwich. Chick-fil-A, if you don't have that app, you better get it. These people are always giving me a free sandwich. Let's see, because my daughter has one. Do I have one? I don't have one. I really do want something, but I don't know what I want. Maybe I'll try that little thing they got going on at Taco Bell. But we are definitely in trouble. It's a lot going on with our new administration. And I was looking at the news this morning, and they were saying prepare to spend an additional $2,600 a year. For example, whatever you're buying, the prices are going to go up to a point where you'll be spending about $2,600 more per person. Now, this is based on my local news station and what they said. So I thought about it. In my home, it's 4 people. 2,600 times 2 is 5,200. So I can prepare to spend another $10,400. Child, I had a conversation with my daughter yesterday. I say, listen, a lot of things are going to come to a halt. Not a halt, but we're going to have to slow down. We were talking about college. She has expectations for college. They're talking about taking away federal loans and taking away scholarships, and the American dream is becoming harder, And this is why we are never to take things for granted. We live in a country where at one point we had amazing opportunities, amazing opportunities. Will we continue to have those opportunities? We're gonna see, but it's gonna be a lot of things coming through the pipeline. I remember as a kid when we didn't, my family didn't have a lot. Like, for example, when it comes to my mother's side, we do have some homeowners, and my dad's side, we do have homeowners too. And my grandmother was a homeowner. I think my uncle and my aunt, they were military, and they bought her, helped buy her first home. But we didn't have a lot of that, and that's so important. And I say that because I always talk about real estate, because if you don't need anything else, you need somewhere to live, and you don't need to be worrying about your rent, or if anyone's going up on your rent, or if anyone's going to ask you to move out of your place. So we got to buckle down, America, but we're going to be okay. We're going to be okay. I feel like we're going to be okay. And I'm going to keep reminding myself that we're going to be okay. We just got to scale back on some things and get serious about our lives. So I came on to say that because I did have a rough day yesterday. Yesterday was hard for me. I don't cry like that. I could not stop crying. I started thinking about so many different things going on, like, the Lord don't sleep, the Lord don't slumber, but there are some prophecies that have to be fulfilled. And I'm not going to sit here and preach the word to you, but I do encourage you to go read your Bible. Go read your Bible, and maybe go to Revelation and see what it's talking about, because Revelation is just that. Things are being revealed. Things are being revealed. We're so happy-go-lucky, living, moving, but this is a blessing, because our ancestors didn't have all this. Some of our ancestors didn't. So we have to be grateful, and we can't forget why we were brought to America. And a lot of times we forget we were brought here to work. That's what we were brought here for. And to find an opportunity, just like the immigrants. That's what we are, immigrants. We migrated here. Don't forget that. Anyway, blackity black, power to the people. Happy Black History Month. Apparently that's about to go out the window as well. So anyway, yeah. Why is Miami so hot? I'm looking at my dash and it's 84 degrees, and I got on a sweater. It's a thin sweater, but it's a sweater. It is hot, and my AC is off, so I can talk to y'all. I love y'all, I do, but I gotta turn on my AC. So I will talk to you guys later. Okay, y'all, it's late in the evening. I just ate lunch. I want ice cream, but I also want a cup of coffee. I saw this recipe called affogato, which is an Italian dessert. It is a scoop of ice cream, preferably vanilla, but I have butter pecan, and I want butter pecan, and a shot of espresso, 1 shot. That's what I'm about to make. Okay, so we're just gonna put it in this cute little pink mug. And I'll put the espresso in here. So let me get my ice cream. Publix had this buy one get one free the other day. So Breyers butter pecan it is. Let me get my espresso going real quick. I'm not gonna go ham with this ice cream as bad as I want to. I'm not gonna do a lot, but this will take away from having to get the creamer. So about, I'm picking up my ice cream. So I'm gonna do like a scoop. Cause I want to taste the cream, but I also want to taste the coffee. That looks about right. Let's see what it's giving. Affogato. And my ice cream is literally melting. Let me hurry up and taste this. It's getting real cold. When you drink it and also have the ice cream, it's really good. But when you just drink the coffee with some of the ice cream in it, it's alright. It was good. Hey you all, it is the end of the day. I have taken my shower, gotten myself ready for bed. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this weekend. It has been a long weekend and a very long Monday, but I'm feeling a little better. I'm just going to go ahead and do my skincare, trying to figure this out still. I've been using this Versed for dark spots, well, off and on. I need to get serious about it. So I'm gonna use this on my dark spots, and I'm going to put on a little moisturizer. I also have a little pimple that I wanna get rid of. And what I've noticed is that even though these dark spots are here, when I use my pimple patch, this is the one I bought a long time ago from Target, and I never ever used them. But what I do notice is that this works. It works. I put it on at night, and then when I wake up, I take it off. It says leave it on for 6 to 8 hours, but I like these. I really do like these. So I'm gonna put this on, and I'm going to get myself in bed and try to get some sleep. Turn my phone off and try to get some sleep. Anyway, and read my Bible. That helps me relax and fall asleep. But anyway, thank you all for hanging out with me. Thank you for watching the video. If you stayed this long, thank you so much. Those of you that always come back, I appreciate you, and you know that. And those of you that are new, consider subscribing. I'm trying to do better with content, posting, and being consistent. So yes, consider subscribing. Go ahead and click that button, and I will see you all in the next